о том, как расстояние поменяло нас, как уходили слезы под создание.
Hello everyone, today I will review the ONIKUMA 2 stereo gaming headset. In this video I will talk about the advantages of this gaming headset. 1. World-leading gaming headset brand. As the leader of the gaming headset industry, ONIKUMA focuses on the innovation of design and technology to provide the best gaming experience to customers from all over the world. ONIKUMA has sold more than 2 million gaming headsets with microphone and been favorably reviewed by more than 1 million customers. 2. Super real gaming experience. ONIKUMA gaming headset maximizes the clarity of sound with 4D virtual displacement technology. Just take your gaming experience to a higher level. Headset innovates in shape and breathable material for play all-night comfort. Padded softly, the over-ear ergonomic ear cup is thicker and bigger to isolate ambient noise. 3. Great wide compatibility. ONIKUMA Best Gaming Headset supports PS4, PS4 Pro, Slim, Xbox One, Xbox One X, Xbox One S, PC, Nintendo Switch, Nintendo 3DS, Mac, iOS, Android device, laptop, computer, PSP, iPad, mobile phone. 4. Best-in-class driver and mic. High-grade 50mm driver with neodymium magnets delivers clean clear bass. ONIKUMA PC gaming headsets are omnidirectional, adjustable and flexible to pick up sound in 360 degree. Equipped with super strong cords and joints, ONIKUMA USB gaming headset features long-lasting durability. 5. 24-month-long lifespan. ONIKUMA headset has completely protects circuit and makes its lifespan 3 times than other gaming headsets. Every wired gaming headset we ships out undergoes strict quality checks. Enjoy watching.